Manipur Leingak ki Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles na sponsor Touraga District Handlooms and Textile Technopole District na senduna weavers, artisans amadi entrepreneurs singi central amasung state government ki scheme initiatives amadi financial literacy ki matangda nomagi oiba sensitization program ama ngasi Technopole District ki Kangshim village jalaiba Kosang community hall da pangthokre. Financial Literary Cum Awareness Program adu hongdokpagi thoramda Technopole amasung machigi SGO BDO MD Nazmul Hunda Khan na athoiba mechunglen District Handlooms and Textile Technopole amasung Chandel gi District ki Project Manager Handloom Soibam Heramani Singh na President aduga Directorate of Handlooms and Textile Manipur gi Deputy Director Thokchom Basanta Singh SBI Kongshang gi Deputy Manager Larnairang Jachi amasung Weaver Service Center Ministry of Textile Infal gi Representative A Santel na akanaba michunglen sing oina saruk yaki Thawamgi saruk ama oina Technopole Small Cluster Development Program amasu pangthokhibaga loinana Ministry of Textile Government of India gi National Handloom Development Program gi makhada Ragai Foundation Technopole Cluster gi Fishabi chamaga kuntra mathoida Fisakon amadi atai polam singsu yenthokhi Athoiba minthunglengi warol piraduna Mohammad Nazmul Huda Khan na hai Handloom amadi textile asi development gi damakta achoba sector amani leibak asigi freedom struggle forward handloom amadi textile gi achoba contribution yauri bani sector asina isagi senthok lambi semjaba ngamba khaktana mioi kayasu thabak piba ngamlibani maramasi chokhatpa iramdam amagi damakta sinfam asibu ikai khumnaba amadi yokhatpa mathautai Directorate of Handlooms and Textile amadi bank na su makhoigi mathau taba sing pinanaba hotnabiu administration gi maikai su pangba yaba mateng pangjage chokhat pa inamdam amagi damakta ekhoi amana amagi mateng pangnaduna semitlon fagat hana ba hotnasi haina miyamda appeal tawki
employment generate tawgi pangara ba sector city thabak tawri ba isakon gani awak pa sector odi anisana hina utupata wa hina wakta utari equity and also the generate tawgi ba sector se yang develop tawgi sector ba adu recently equity development kita haraga so clusters हमने इबा clusters हमने अगर कोई government से पूछने अगर कहीं जगह organization aware with step from the state as well as central government how the कोई travel area इसलिए इसमें फीस हज़ारा कि अगर कोई आना हज़ारा मुझे government से पूछने अगर हमको कहीं तंगे आपको जैसे बैंकिंग कुछ ना वो रिसोर्स कहीं कोई कहीं कोई financial assistance में कर होता है सो in facilities lain Touraga Handloom and Textile Departmentation Touraga District Administration itu sepuluh Touraga cluster amat develop cluster amat revenue di